Hello everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself Aishwarya Saxena, and today in the series of PHP and MySql, I am going to start with the new concept of functions. We have already studied many functions in this series and in the web designing series too. We know very well what is function, but here we are going to study the concept of user defined functions. So I am starting with a new file, that is file 18.php. Here are numerous videos in this series, and I hope you have watched the previous lectures. This series contains different lectures of theory and practical. So the theory lectures are also available here and also the practical lectures. So if you are getting confused in something, you just go to the theory content. Even I recommend you to please watch the theory videos also, because it would be much helpful and beneficial to you. Never try to skip it, because the theory concepts always help you during the theoretical examinations and plus the interview, because the deep concept whichever you learn from theory and practical both give you golden results. So now starting with the concept of functions, I'm just creating a PHP file here, and now just giving a heading h1 align equals to center, and now I'm just giving the heading user defined functions. As it is the first particular file for the concept of functions, I haven't discussed this concept in any previous file, and I am starting the concept of user defined functions from this file. So it will contain very low amount of content, but the next file would contain different examples. So don't worry about it, we will study many examples for the functions. Function is a keyword. Function is a keyword which is used to create functions. This we have written within small, and the spelling is wrong. Now it is okay. Function. Now let's name the function writing. You can give any name whichever you want, or we can give write message like this. Anything, whichever name you are comfortable, you can. Just open the braces and echo. So we are just creating a hello world program using functions, nothing else. But the thing is not done here. Why? Because whenever we are working with the functions, it is compulsory. Three things are required. First of all, the function. Obviously, the function which we have created. This is the complete function which starts from the braces to the braces. And then the another thing which is must for any function to execute is calling of the function. So we have to call the name of the function whenever we want to execute it, because without calling the function it would not be called, so it would not be executed. So this is the calling of function. I'm just going to execute this. What is the benefit of functions? As we have studied arrays, as we have studied loops, what is the benefit of user defined functions? User defined functions are capable of doing marvelous things, as whenever we want to print hello world or whatever content is inside the function, we just have to call it, as I have called it 4 times. Now you can see that it is appearing 4 times. So it's beautiful or not? How you are liking the series, how you are liking the content, the teaching methods, please comment in the comment box. Please tell me, give me the suggestions. If you are having any queries, any problem, any issues with the content, or you are not able to understand anything, just drop your query into the comment box. Always try the content, always try the program by your own on your computer system. That will help you to enhance and learn the content more well. So the thing we learned here is that we always have to create a function. Obviously we have to give the content into it, and the next thing is that we have to call the function. So we can write some more content here. It's not necessary that we can write hello world only. Such that we have written this also, and we have to give br, because if we are calling it again and again, it will not go to the next line. See, That's too good. The thing is that we just have to call the function, and how many times we want to print the content we can. I hope you are enjoying the series. If you haven't checked the playlist section, I recommend you to please check the playlist section of Fameword Educational Hub, because if you are a computer lover, you are at the right place. You will get marvelous amount of videos, the series in this channel, because C, Java, PHP, web designing, and many more series, full courses series are available on the playlist section. So if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, for whom you are waiting to subscribe, just subscribe and hit the notification bell, because after pressing the notification bell you will get the notification of each and every video whichever I upload very first. So the thing is that the user defined functions are used to create the things we want to do, as echo is used for printing. Yes, we are using echo, it is predefined keyword, but function is predefined, but write message was not predefined. We can give the name anything else also. We can give the name write message 1 also. So it is user defined, that is, we can create whatever we want to create. We can give the name whatever we want to give the name as per the requirements, the relevant name. As we were writing the message, so we gave write message. If we are making addition, we will give the name addition or summation. So I hope you enjoyed this very first video. See you in the next video with the different examples of function.